Okay, spring is in the air. Summer is fast approaching. So what better way to send a message out to all in mortgage sales from the Figure Sales Success Scooter? Time to enjoy some of this great weather. Let's go. Okay, so it is that time of year, the sun is shining, and I gotta tell you, there is no shortage of projects taking place. Remember, we reported on our last month's newsletter that over 14% of the folks, when asked the question what they were using their HELOC funds for, over 14% said backyard renovations. Now, of course, the number one and number two use cases continue to be debt consolidation and home improvement, things like ADUs, construction projects, kitchens, you name it. Listen, make no mistake about it, there's a great opportunity to take advantage of the Figure Tech platform and help your clients realize their equity by accessing through a HELOC. So remember, questions, concerns, feedback, you know where to find us here at the Sales Success Team. Information down below in the email. Now is a great opportunity to reach out to all of your past clients and make sure that they know you can help them access their equity within just 5 days on a primary residence with the new Figure Technology Solutions HELOC. You know where to find me. Questions, concerns, feedback. It's time for us to go and help the world, everybody. Get out and talk to as many of your past and future clients as you possibly can. I hope you all have a great week. T-Row is done for now. See ya.